You're now watching Juliet Line Dance Channel. Hope you enjoy it.
Every night she does the tango in a smoky little bar. She never dances with a partner, but when she tangos, she's a star. She shows up almost every evening, not necessarily to dance, but when she does the tango, she fills the room with sweet romance. Oh, tango with me, darling. Let me dance with you all night. I wanna hold you close, dear. Hold you close and hold you tight. Tango with me, darling. Let me dance with you all night. I wanna hold you close, dear. Hold you close and hold you tight. Every night she does the tango in a smoky little bar. She never dances with a partner. Oh, when she tangos, she's a star.
This dance is called Beautiful Birds, choreographed by Fowler, 32 count, 4 wall, beginner plus level line dance. Section 1, start with your right foot. Step right forward, touch your left behind, step left back, kick right forward. Back, together, forward with the point. Section 2, back, point, step forward, brush, jazz box quarter turn to your left with the touch, cross, back, quarter left with the touch. Section 3, rolling vine to your right with the touch, quarter, half, quarter, touch, side, together, side with the touch. Last 8 count, right foot rocking chair, rock forward, recover, back rock, recover. Step, pivot quarter left, step, pivot quarter left. Now walk through with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a lovely dance. I do hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.